Hello, my name is Ivan Kleshnin. I'm a web developer. I want to make several videos about Flask. It will be a video kinda lessons about tricky parts of Flask, about best parts of Flask. This is my first video lessons. I have no experience about recording, and my English is limited enough to such ambitious project, but I hope I will learn more in this process and my next videos will be better. My website is pacmind.com. As you can see, it's usual site. I make this video with ScreenFlow program, which is my first program that I bought in App Store only a few days ago. I'm relatively new to Mac programming. I used to be a Windows user, but that's another story. Flask. Flask has beautiful documentation over here. It's one of the best documentation I had to deal with. And Flask is one of the most genuinely created, constructed, projected framework. I worked with almost all big PHP frameworks before I moved to Python, and I should admit that Flask is beyond comparison to them. So I want to make this course in such a way that it will not repeat documentation, but it will be very practical. I've just finished one big project on Flask, based on Flask. I have learned very much from this project, and I want to show you some tricks and some secrets from what I've learned based on these big project examples. I think that there are very few good practical examples on Flask around the web. And documentation is only documentation. You need to learn more before you can utilize all aspects of Flask. So this is it. Let's start with the next movie.